Let's unbox and install Haier single door hardtop freezer today. You start the unboxing by cutting the packaging straps. Next, we cut the packaging tapes. See, that was easy. After cutting the packaging tapes, lift the flaps and take off the carton. These protective thermocol casings shall now be removed. After removing all the thermocols, we will now remove the protective plastic cover. Next, we will remove the door gaskets from both the sides. This freezer comes with an accessories pack. The pack contains a user manual, a scraper, and a set of keys. To lock the door, turn the key in the anti-clockwise direction. Use a scraper to gently remove excess ice from the inner tank surfaces. Now we check the power cord and plug it into a power socket. Make sure it is positioned correctly like this. Before putting any items on the inside, run the freezer for at least 3 hours for intensive cooling and optimum performance. For effective cooling, it's better to load your freezer gradually. Start by loading up to 30%, then up to 50%, and then up to 70%. This helps the freezer to run with optimum effectiveness, keeping the temperature steady. This deep freezer comes with adjustable thermostat. Set the thermostat on your desired temperature. For example, a colder setting is ideal for a long-term storage, while a moderate temperature works well for frequent use. Please refer to the do's and don'ts for easy usage. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps in unboxing and installing the Haier single door hardtop freezer.
Points to note for best product performance. Do not load fresh meat directly into the freezer. However, frozen meat can be stored. The freezer is not recommended to make ice. Storing glass bottles in the freezer is not recommended. Maintain some space inside the freezer to allow proper airflow and cooling. Keep the freezer running 24/7 to maintain the right temperature. Thus, freezer consumes less electricity. Whenever ice gets accumulated inside freezer, do manual defrost and remove it with the scraper. In summer, the freezer body may feel hot. This is normal. The freezer may be releasing heat from inside out.